keeps unwanted waste from harming your fish. Rids your tank of debris and also makes use of beneficial bacteria in your aquarium. Includes 1 foam block and 1 bag of Biomax, 2.1 ounces. Replace every 2 to 3 months. The Fluval Edge foam pad and Biomax Renewal kit's foam pad traps particles and debris from the aquarium, while the Biomax provides optimal colonization of beneficial bacteria and enhances the reduction of fish wastes. The Fluval Edge foam pad and Biomax Renewal will help create a healthier aquarium environment for your fish. Top reviews from the United States. Use it to modify my TopFin filter. I bought 2 of these to modify my back hanging filter that came with 29 gallons TopFin. I don't like using cartridge and keep losing the beneficial bacteria in the system. So I decided to give this try, and I am glad I did. I like the BioRing small bags which prefect for my filter size, and I love the sponge, it fits perfectly. The sponge is big mesh which filter the water without overblocking. I found them work nice in my aquarium. However, there is couple of things I would like to mention here. Each aquarium is unique and has its own system. The BioRings and the sponge need good ruins, especially the BioRings, to remove all of the dust. I ruined it in bucket filled from my aquarium. I will like to mention that I add sponge filter to the intake of filter and bag of ammonia removal. Also I have 2 sponge filters already working in my aquarium.